This is OnePlus Ace 5, and today I'll show how you can hard reset the smartphone through the recovery mode. So at the start, the device should be completely powered off. So simultaneously press volume up and side power button to launch the power off menu. From here, move this white circle to the power off and then release your finger. Now allow a few seconds for the device to be switched off entirely, and the way you know that it is when your OnePlus produces a slight, very subtle vibration. Anyway, once the device is powered off, you will need to start pressing and simultaneously pressing and holding you should press and keep holding simultaneously volume down and power buttons, and release them once you'll see the OnePlus logo on your screen, which should take a few seconds. Here is the OnePlus logo, so we can let both of my fingers go here. Now wait a few seconds until the device boots into the recovery menu, and here it is. Here select what language you would like to have it in, and next select the format data option. Tap on it. Now input whatever verification code you'll see on your particular screen. Mine is 0816, but yours will be different. Here confirm that you would like to format, or to put it in other words, erase all data, and reset all settings and preferences by pressing format. And now simply wait for the process to be finished. The data has been formatted successfully. Now we can reboot the device, and once you'll see the initial setup menu, that means that the hard reset process has been indeed finished successfully. So let's wait for the screen to appear first. And here you have it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.